In this video, I'll teach you how to paste data into visible cells only when you have hidden rows in Excel. In this scenario, we have two data sets. We have the range 1 through 8. We also have characters A through H. I will attempt to hide a range within this first data set. So I'll hide values 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to try to copy and paste this range into a different range. So I'll do a Control C, then a Control V. And as you can see, not only the visible cells, but also the hidden values have been pasted. And that's not what we want. So I'll do a Control Z to get rid of this. Now, in order to copy and paste only the visible cells, I have to select the range and I have to click on Alt semicolon on my keyboard. And after clicking on Alt semicolon, as you can see, only the visible cells become activated. And that's indicated by these marquees, which you can see around this range. Now, if I do a Control C, a copy, and then a Control V, a paste into a different range, as you can see, we have successfully been able to copy and paste only the visible cells. Now, what if we want to copy data from a different range, say from the A through H range, into the range which contains hidden rows, and we want only the visible cells to be affected by that? In other words, I want to copy this range into this range over here, and I want only the values 1, 2, 7, and 8 to be replaced by values A, B, G, and H. So to do that, first I'll do a Control Z to get rid of this. Now, in order to do that, we have to use the skip blanks function in Excel, and I'll explain that to you in a moment. But first, I want to make sure that this range indeed does contain data. So what I want to do is I want to copy from this range over here into the range above it, into this range, and I want the values, the hidden values, which is 3, 4, 5, and 6, which I will hide in a few moments, to remain intact. So I'll go ahead and hide this range as it was hidden before. So here are the steps for doing this. So first, I will have to copy data from this range into this range. But before doing that, I'm going to get rid of the values which don't need to be copy pasted. In other words, since I only want to copy paste A, B, G, and H, I'll go ahead and remove all the other values. So that's the first step. We just need to clear all those cells which don't need to be pasted. The next step is to select and highlight the entire range from which we want to copy data and do a Control C. And the final step is to select the range in which we want to paste data into, and I have to use the keyboard shortcut Control Alt V in this scenario. So I'll do Control Alt V on my keyboard, and this page over here appears, on which I will check skip blanks, and then I'll click OK. And as you can see here, the values A, B, G, and H have been pasted correctly in this range. But let's go ahead and unhide the hidden range to see whether or not those cells have remained intact or not. So I'll go ahead and unhide this. And as you can see, the hidden cells contain the old values 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this copy and paste that we did using this approach did not affect the hidden cells at all. So we were able to copy only the cells that we wanted into the visible cells only. And this is how we get this done. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you subscribe and also click on the notifications button so you won't miss out on my future videos. Bye now.